एक छोटा सा टेबल किसी से उधार ले लेंगे एक दिन के लिए और एक टेबल और बीच में निकाल। हाँ बेटा अभी कुछ भी
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग फर्स्ट एनबी
Morning,
काइंडली
ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग please open your camera and mute yourself. Open your camera and mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Write your name in the chat box so that I can give attendance. Online classes. Online classes. There. No. Yes. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. 16.
Good morning, ma'am.
One is left.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Only 16? 17 should be there. Okay. Fifth A, I'm telling you the names, those were present. Fifth A and B, okay? Fifth A, G Shrenika, Likhitej, open your cameras. Names, the names which I am taking, open your camera, okay? And G Shrenika, open your camera. Who is this with the Niranjan ID? Konde Niranjan. Joined now. Please tell your name.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Arushi present.
Arushi marked. Who is with Konde Niranjan ID?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Niranjan ID. Who is with Niranjan ID? Okay. Taran.
Ma'am, third ma'am.
Taran. Okay. Okay. Marked. Okay. So listen your. Sorry. Mute yourself. हाँ mark DP I have marked.
Ma'am,
B Srini. I am telling you the names. Wait.
oh, ma'am.
I am telling you the names. Please listen. Okay. फिफ्थ है जी श्रेणिका लिखितेज बी श्रेणिका अनन्या प्रहर्षिता यशस्विनी सुजीता ध्रुविका विशिष्टा तेजस अक्षय नवनीत विभा फ्रॉम फिफ्थ बी भरानी वृंदा दीपा रक्षिता युवा आरुषि दीपी चरण तौरन अंबिका निवास if anyone's name is left they can tell me your name in chat box akshara has joined now akshara ishant
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning Akshara, don't present. Don't present. Akshara, don't present.
Sir, present.
Good morning. 29. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am.
Arushi.
Ambika can't join the class, ma'am.
Ambika joined the class, na? Ambika.
No, ma'am.
She is in the class.
No,
Ambika.
ma'am, she's not.
Ambika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
She is in the class, Arushi. She is in the class. See, listen.
She's telling I'm not there in the class.
No, she is in the class. Why only less students? 30. I mean 29 only. Where are rest of the students?
30, ma'am.
13, including me, na? If you will not include me, then 29 only.
Yes, ma'am.
So where are rest of the
अब
students?
30 हो गया मैम. अब 30.
अब 30 हो गया. हाँ, अब 30 हो गया. B Shrinika, please mute yourself. I should not give this instruction every time. 5th A and B. After 4 minutes, I will start with the class. Okay. We have 4 minutes yet. Then I'll start with after 4 minutes. Okay. So.
Ma'am, but nothing was wrong in my dictation.
Nothing. I will check it and I'll tell you. Okay. For in main instruction is today. Ishant, stop presenting. Ishant, don't present. Ishant. Okay. Okay, so listen, fifth A and B, listen. Dictation marks I'll give you. Okay. Now next I'll give you test for today. You know, yesterday I told you there will be one test today. Remember?
Ma'am, online.
English, yes, that will be on Google form. I'll give you the link after the class. After the class will be over, you will get one link. Open
Ma'am,
that.
I absent, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I was absent, ma'am.
You were absent?
Yesterday,
Tarun, why you were not present Mute yourself. First of all, mute yourself and listen. Don't ask questions. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Tarun, why were you absent yesterday?
Ma'am, I go कोई present. Ma'am, मेरा मम्मा.
हाँ बोलो. Arushi, don't present.
Ma'am, मेरा मम्मा घर गया ma'am.
Miss the 5th A and B. Don't miss the class. From 20th, you have your periodic test. You will be given marks. If you will miss the test will not be taken again. We will not take the test again and again. So don't miss the classes. Don't miss the test. From 20th, you have your periodic test.
Online test.
Yes, that will be online. Arushi, don't present. Arushi.
मैम आप टेस्ट दे रहे हैं ना, ऐसे ही होगा एग्जाम भी.
आपने पीटी टेस्ट दिए हैं ना पहले 40 मार्क्स वाले दिए हैं ना स्कूल में. तो वही टेस्ट होंगे. अब पीटी 1 होगा. पीरियोडिक टेस्ट 1 विल बी देयर ऑफ 40 मार्क्स. ओके, दैट विल बी ऑफ 40 मार्क्स.
मैम इंग्लिश नोटबुक में लिखना. मैम गूगल फॉर्म में. मैम
कुछ भी गूगल फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है.
में लिखना है मैम.
हाँ, गूगल फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है. प्लीज वेट, लिसन टू मी. ईशांत, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. वो बता दिया जाएगा कैसे होगा. आरुषि, wait. For today, I'll give you English class test. That is of 10 marks. Sorry?
Ma'am, which test, ma'am?
English. Yesterday I told na English test will be there today. Grammatical part. Okay. 10 marks test is there. You have to attempt the test. EVS test you have given? EVS test on Google form. 10 marks. You have given or not? 5th A and B.
Yes, ma'am.
That it will be same for English. For English also you will get one Google form. You have to see the questions. MCQ क्वेश्चंस हैं. क्वेश्चन के आपको 4 ऑप्शन मिलेंगे, उसमें से आपको एक सिलेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, 4 ऑप्शंस हैं, क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है और उसमें मार्क करना है. ठीक है.
मैंने हिंदी में भी किया था।
और हाँ, टेस्ट सभी को देना है और कोई भी बच्चा एक बार से ज्यादा नहीं देगा. कोई भी बच्चा एक बार से ज्यादा टेस्ट नहीं देगा. पिछली बार ईवीएस में एक बच्चे ने 4-4 बार पेपर दिया है. टेस्ट एक ही बार देना है, बार बार नहीं देना. चाहे आपके मार्क्स 0 आए, आपको तब भी एक ही बार देना है.
मैम दीपिका नाइतोरन
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
ओके, म्यूट योरसेल्फ नाउ.
एक बार टेस्ट में
Sorry. On 24th we have inspection also. On 24th we have inspection. So please be present on
Yes, ma'am.
24th. 5th A and B, all of you have to give your present on 24th. On 24th of August, all of you have to give your present, 5th A and B. Nobody will miss the class on 24th and rest of the days also. On 20th, from 20th, you have your periodic test. Syllabus will be told to you what will come in periodic test and who is the winner out of best out of waste. Winner of best out of waste we will announce later because we have to give 3 prizes. Yesterday, you have given very nice activities.
drawing.
Those who have not submitted, they can submit today.
Ma'am, about drawing. Ma'am, about drawing competition. Ma'am, about drawing competition.
मैम टुडे इज बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट और टुमारो
Today was the last day to submit best out of waste. So,
Ma'am,
please mute yourself. Okay, let's mute yourself. 5th A and B, mute yourself. Don't ask questions now. Let me start with the class.
drawing.
Mute.
मैम
Questions in the last 5 minutes. Those who have doubts, please keep your doubts. I will take up in last 5 minutes. Ishant, mute yourself. Ishant, I will not say in every session that you have to mute. Mute yourself. Yes. Yes, Tejas.
मैम क्राइम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने हैं क्या आज?
अभी वही बताऊंगी क्या करना है. ठीक है, आपको मैंने लिसन केयरफुली. 5th A and B हमने माई शैडो किया. माई शैडो के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड न्यू वर्ड्स मैंने आपको दे दिए हैं. ठीक है, लेकिन उसकी एक्सरसाइजेस रहती हैं अभी. ठीक है, आई विल सेंड यू द एक्सरसाइजेस ऑफ माई शैडो टुडे एंड रॉबिन्सन क्रूज के क्वेश्चन आंसर. सॉरी
मैम फर्स्ट लेसन से क्वेश्चन आंसर दिए मैम.
फर्स्ट लेसन से भी आएंगे. मैं सिलेबस बता दूंगी. ठीक है.
मानसी मैम
यस, हु इज आस्किंग?
हम लोग विंध्या मैम.
यस विंध्या, बोलो.
मैम हम लोग बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट हम लोग आज भी बना के भेज
हाँ,
सकते हैं.
आज भी आपका बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट का दिन है. आप शाम तक या रात तक अपनी एक्टिविटी भेज सकते हो आज सीसीए की. ओके, जो भी बना रहा है बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट वो आज सबमिट कर. टुडे इज द लास्ट डे टू सबमिट. ओके, आफ्टर दिस टुडे tomorrow I will not take that. Okay, Fiona is saying I am not available for uniform. No problem. If you don't have uniform, you have to wear a decent dress. Okay, if you don't have a uniform, don't worry about it. Those who have uniform, they will sit in uniform in the class, and those who don't have, they will sit in proper decent uniform. Comb your hair properly. Keep your notebooks and pen, pencil, whatever you have with you. Okay, am I clear? Okay, so let's start with the class now. Okay, I am presenting you. Okay, so nobody will present in between and nobody will unmute. Mute yourself. I will ask the answer one by one. I will ask question 1 to 1. Okay, you will not answer in group. No group answering. I will ask one by one by name and nobody will say ma'am ask me, ma'am ask me. I will take the names. Okay, I will give chance to everyone one by one. Okay, don't present in between. I have given you one activity of Robinson Crusoe to solve the puzzle. Nobody has solved that. I will solve it today with you. Okay. So,
क्लास नोट में लिखना, क्लास नोटबुक में लिखना मैम।
sorry.
नोट में लिखना, क्लास नोटबुक में लिखना।
क्लास नोट इंग्लिश में, जब आप इंग्लिश पढ़ रहे हो तो आपको इंग्लिश उसी में ही लिखना है। ठीक है, इंग्लिश में लिखना है। ईवीएस पढ़ते हो तो ईवीएस में लिखना है, इंग्लिश पढ़ते हो तो इंग्लिश में लिखना है। ठीक है, समझ आ रहा है? Kartika, mute yourself, and DP, mute yourself. I will not take name again and again now. Okay, Kartika has muted now. Okay. And nobody will leave the class and listen, 5th AB. Nobody will leave the class in between. You will not get mark, you will not get present for leaving the class. Present means you are present for the whole class. Nobody will leave the class in between. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. हमारे घर में करंट लगा लीजिए।
Mute yourself now. Okay, my screen is presented to you now. Okay, so mute yourself. This is the last instruction I'll give you now. Mute yourself, everyone. Nobody will present in between. Who is making this? Mute yourself, 5th A and B. So this was the first puzzle.
Your voice is breaking.
This was the first
Ma'am, your
puzzle.
voice is breaking, ma'am.
If the voice is breaking, I can clearly listen you. Come back again. Leave the class and come back again. Sometimes it happens due to network connectivity. Okay. So come back again. Join and leave and come back again. So this was the puzzle I gave you of Robinson Crusoe. You have done the chapter Robinson Crusoe Unit 4. Okay. Yes. Listen. Okay. Tejas, no interruption in between now. Mute yourself. Let me explain first. Then only if you have doubt. Last 5 minutes will be for doubt. Okay. Last 5 minutes will be for doubt. Nobody will say in between now. Okay. Okay. So, good morning. Good morning. Okay, listen here now. This was the activity related to Robinson Crusoe. We have done the chapter. Okay. So, activity 1 was puzzle. To solve this puzzle, we have read the chapter. So, you can see how to solve this puzzle. You can see two headings. First is across. First is across.
नोटबुक में लिखना मैम।
प्लीज डोंट आस्क कि नोटबुक में लिखना है नहीं लिखना है, ये मैं लास्ट में इंस्ट्रक्शन दूंगी आपको, अभी मत जल्दी करो। ठीक है, पहले यहाँ ध्यान दो। नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड हेडिंग इज डाउन. नाउ सम ऑफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस पजल. प्लीज डोंट इंटरप्ट. Some of you don't know how to solve these puzzles. What do you mean by across and what do you mean by down? Across means like this and down means like this. Can you see the questions here? Who is speaking in between? Now I will start removing you one by one if your mic is not muted. Ishant, don't say in between. See, across means this side like this and down means to come like this. Okay, so you can see across में आप देखोगे कुछ numbers लिखे हैं 1 2 3 5 6 10 11. Okay, these are some numbers and you have some questions related to that number. First question, the question is wild, violent, primitive people. What do we call the wild, violent and primitive people? So how will you give answers like this to the puzzle?
Savages.
Wait, I know you have done. So Jayendra joined now, no? Okay. How to write the answers of this? Across means like this, from going left to right. Across means left to right. And down means top to bottom. Now you will see number 1. Now we will see the number 1 in the puzzle. Number 1 is written here. And number 1 is written in across. Okay, number 1 is here in across. So how we will see? We will go from first left to right. So we will write here. What is the answer of this? Wild, violent, primitive people. What is the answer? Fiona? Fiona?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Savages.
Savages. So first answer is savages. Savages are the people that are wild, violent and primitive people. Okay, जिनको आप आदिवासी कहते हो. That are savages. So in first you will write S A, like this you will write V A G E S. That is savages. Okay. Now second is number 2. See here number 2 in across. A large fort-like building. What is a large fort-like? Fifth B. This answer will be given by. Wait. Vindhya is here. Vindhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Vindhya, answer this. A large fort-like building. Try to answer. If you don't know, it's okay. Don't worry about right and wrong. Try to answer.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
Wait, let her answer. Try, Vindhya, try. What is the answer of this? A large fort-like building. This is related to Robinson chapter. You have done all these words in the chapter. Okay.
Ma'am, castle.
Castle, yes. Castle. It is castle. Spelling is C-A-S-T-L-E. Now we will write this in the puzzle. The 2 is written below across. So we will go from left to right. Okay. Left to right में लिखना है आपको castle. यहाँ पे 2 number है C-A-S-T-L-E. That is castle. Okay. Wait, somebody.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm joining my computer, ma'am. It is coming, asking to joining, ma'am.
Asking to join? You are already in the class. You are already in the class, Arushi. Harshita, now you have stopped my presentation. Harshita, why do you present every time? I can't understand. You don't have to do anything with the presentation. Arushi, mute yourself. Okay. See here now. So these two are clear, 5th A and B. How you have to solve the puzzle.
I know, ma'am.
Okay. So this one with third one is, okay, I'll ask you one by one now. The impression left by a foot. This will be given by answer Tejas. 5th A, Tejas. Tejas is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas. I have asked Tejas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tejas, give me the answer of third one. The impression left by a foot. What do you call that?
Footprint.
Footprint. Yes, very good. That is footprint. So now you have to write this footprint in the puzzle here. So where will you write here? See the third number in the across. From left to right you have to write. F-O-O-T-P-R-I-N-T. That is footprint. Okay. Like this you have to write here. Now 5th one is, now you have, after third there is 5th number. 4th number is not there. So don't get confused. Check the number first. Okay. Don't get confused. 4th number is not here. Okay. 5th number is here. You have to check the number every time. While filling in the puzzle, you should know what is the number written. So it is written 5th and this is confident. What do you mean by confident? Which word was used in the chapter for confident? 5th B. 5th B, Sanvi. Sanvi is here. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi, bold. Very good. So B-O-L-D, bold. So answer was bold. So we will write here 5 number. We will check the 5 number. See, 5 number is here. So we will write here B-O-L-D, bold. Okay. Next is 6. happening many times. So fifth A, Akshara, 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 can you hear me? Fifth A, Akshara, answer this. Happening many times. What is the mean? What do you mean by happening many times? Which word is used in the chapter for? Sorry,
Happiness.
happiness? No, no. Who will correct this? Fifth B. Anyone from fifth B? Happening many times. What do you write here? Happening many times.
Often.
No,
Often.
no, wrong. Often is wrong. Fifth A. Ananya. Ananya. Ananya, can you hear?
That is frequently.
That, yes, very good. That is frequently. Happening many times means frequently. You have to write the spelling of frequently here. See the sixth number here. F R E Q U E N T L Y. That is frequently. Okay. 10th number. Now after 6th, you have 10th number. Please see, keep this thing in mind. While solving these puzzles, you have to check the number and you have to see whether it is across or down. So in across, we will see now 10th number. Place with people live in. Where? Tell me the answer to this. Place with people live in. What do you call this word? Fifth, from fifth B, Sunishka is here. Sunishka. Sunishka?
Yes.
I'm wondered.
No, not wonder. Wonder is wrong. Try. Sunishka, what you will write here? People with, place with people live in. What do you call that place? How do you denote? In chapter you have the word of this.
Sir, ma'am, silent.
Sorry? Inhabited. Very good. That is inhabited. INHAB. Inhabited. Okay. So you will find out now 10th number in the across. In across you have 10th number here. See. Now you write INHABITED. That is inhabited. Okay. Next is 11th number. That next is 11th one.
Ma'am, somebody is telling hi, Arushi.
Don't chat in the chat box. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the class. No chatting in the chat box. 11th number is inquire to find out the truth. From 5th A, this will begin. Prahashita here.
Are you able to hear me?
Prahashita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I can hear you. So answer this 11th one. Inquire to find out the truth.
Ma'am, investigate.
Investigate. Very good. So from the chapter we have the word investigate. Sorry.
Ma'am, I have done this in my notebook, ma'am.
You have some of you have sent me, but some of you have not sent me the pictures of this activity. Investigate. Inquire to find out the truth is investigate. See the 11th number now here. INVESTIGATE. That is investigate. Okay. Okay, listen, wait. Let me check who is talking in the class first. Arushi, mute yourself. Let me see the chat. Why there are 22 chats in the chat box? Why are you chatting without any reason? On inspection day also you will chat here. Tell me. जो आपका इंस्पेक्शन करने आएगा वो ये देखेगा कि बच्चा पढ़ नहीं रहा, बच्चा यहाँ चैटिंग कर रहा है. Do you come for chatting or studying? Don't chat. This is for you, not for me. चैट अब मुझे चैट बॉक्स में एक भी चैट नहीं दिखने चाहिए, ना नाम ना कुछ. नो आंसर्स इन द चैट बॉक्स. आई विल आस्क यू वन बाय वन. टेल मी द आंसर्स ओरली. डोंट राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. ओके. So now we will come to the down part. We have done the across part. Across means left to right. Remember this. Across means left to right. So always you will write from left to right. Now we will go to down part. Down means top to bottom. Top to bottom. So you will go like this. You will come like this. ये लिखना है, मैं बता दूंगी कैसे लिखना है. अभी आप इसको देखो, फिर मैं बताऊंगी कहाँ लिखना है, कैसे लिखना है. ठीक है?
Ma'am, this you will send in the.
हाँ, I will send this in the group with answers. Okay, you have kindly write it down. Kindly write. जिन्होंने 5th A and B, जिन बच्चों ने ये कर लिया है वो नहीं करेंगे. 1 मिनट चुप रहो. जिन्होंने ये कर लिया है वो दोबारा नहीं करेंगे. जिन्होंने नहीं किया है उनके लिए मैं ये PDF मैं WhatsApp ग्रुप में भेजूंगी. कौन गा रहा है ये? लेट मी थ्रो यू आउट ऑफ द क्लास फर्स्ट. जिन्होंने ये काम नहीं किया है वो अपनी कॉपी में इंग्लिश नोटबुक में इसे कंप्लीट करेंगे. मैं आपको पिक्चर भेज दूंगी अभी. ठीक है? यस यस नवनीत. यस. व्हाट हैपेंड नवनीत? क्या हुआ?
You wrote a crossword.
सॉरी.
I don't know. Ma'am, you wrote a crossword now.
Crossword. Yes yes, this is a puzzle na. You are solving a puzzle, right?
Ma'am, you have to write the heads in capital.
Where?
Ma'am.
10th में H कहाँ है? अच्छा H कोई बात नहीं, वो आप कैपिटल कर लेना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ओके, सी हेयर H. ओके ओके
Ma'am, your voice is not.
Okay, now let's go to the down part. Please let 5th A and B अब don't interrupt. Let me complete and mute yourself. आपके घरों से आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए. You are in a class. आपके घर से आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए. आप पढ़ रहे हो. Okay? Okay, now the down part we will see. Down means top to bottom, and that is what happened. Okay, so first one is, now you will see first in down. Land along the sea. Land along the sea. Land along the sea. What is the answer? 5th B. 5th B. What is the answer of this? Land along the. Please stop talking first. Stop. I will ask one by one. Okay, from 5th B, Yuva will answer this. Yuva, answer this. Land along the sea. Island. So, you have to write in down part, first down one. Okay, where is the first number in down? I am erasing this. I am erasing this one. Okay, so I will write the down answers here now. Please mute yourself. I will not say this again. 5th A and B, this is very horrible this कि मुझे ये आपको बार बार कहना पड़ता है कि म्यूट करो. आप इंस्पेक्शन वाले दिन भी अपना इंप्रेशन ऐसे ही देना चाहते हो कि मैं बार बार बोलती रहूं कि म्यूट करो म्यूट करो. Okay, so first here we will write the down one, that is island. I-S
Land.
I think this will not come here. Where is the first number in down? It should be
Sword.
1, 2, 3. Island should come here, but you can't write here. First number should be there somewhere. Okay. Second, to follow and catch. This is island. Second, to follow and catch. From 5th B, this will Swatika. 5th B, Swatika.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer this, to follow and catch. What do you mean by, which word is written here in the chapter for to follow and catch?
Ma'am, repeat the question, ma'am.
आपको ये स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, टू फॉलो एंड कैच. आप रॉबिन्सन चैप्टर में कुछ वर्ड्स हैं टू फॉलो. प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. हु इज टॉकिंग? फॉलो एंड कैच.
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर बताओ क्या लिखा है.
Ma'am, is writing something in chat box, ma'am.
हाँ कुछ भूली हुई बातें लिख दिया।
किसने लिखा है?
Ma'am, shadow, ma'am, shadow.
Shadow is wrong. Ishant, don't write anything in the chat box, Ishant. Okay, answer. Sujita, fifth is Sujita. Sujita will answer this.
Ma'am, chase.
Chase, yes. CHASE, chase. Answer is, so you will fill here. CHASE, chase. Okay. Next is land covered by water. First one is island is wrong for first one. Land along the sea is shore. SHORE, shore. Island will not come here. This will be shore. SHORE, shore. Okay, that's why it was not coming. Now here, see here. Land covered by water all the sides. Answer to this. Fifth B. Brunda is here. Brunda. Fifth B. Brunda, answer karo. Land covered by island. Yes, answer to this is island. Please mute yourself. Okay, I am fifth A and B. I am leaving.
ईशांत फिर से लिखा मैम।
ईशांत, मैं आपको क्लास से रिमूव कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आप लोग मेरी बात सुन ही नहीं रहे हो। ईशांत, आई एम रिमूविंग यू फ्रॉम द क्लास एंड आई विल नॉट गिव यू एंट्री।
मैम आप
Ishant, wait, where is Ishant? Let me see. Present हो रही है मेरी स्क्रीन? फिफ्थ ए बी, इज इट प्रेजेंटिंग? स्क्रीन दिख रही है आपको? Okay. All of you mute yourself on my 5 count. Mute yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those who are not muting, I will remove yourself now. I will remove you if you are not muting. Mute yourself. Ishant, don't write anything in the chat box now. Okay, is this visible now?
Ma'am, your voice is stucking. I cannot hear anything, ma'am. Yes,
Please,
ma'am. It's visible.
ओके, सो मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है तो नेटवर्क वहां भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है। एक बार क्लास से जाओ और फिर वापस आओ, ठीक है? आज ओके, सो लैंड कवर्ड बाय ऑल द साइड्स इज आइलैंड. यू विल राइट हियर आइलैंड. ISLAND, island. Okay. Now see, after fourth there is seventh number. Observe or study carefully. What do you mean by observe or study carefully? From fifth A, this will be answer will be given by Jayendra is here. Jayendra, can you hear me? Jayendra is here. Jayendra, can you hear me?
No,
Ma'am, Jayendra है.
जयेंद्रा है क्लास में. जयेंद्रा, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
जयेंद्रा, आंसर बताओ. ऑब्जर्व और स्टडी केयरफुली.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
Your voice is breaking.
Show me one second, please.
स्टॉप. अगर आप बातें करना बंद करोगे तो सुनाई देगा ना. जयेंद्रा, कैन यू हियर मी?
Your voice.
ओके, फ्रॉम फिफ्थ आई विल टेक अनदर वन. नवनीत है क्लास में. नवनीत, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नवनीत, आंसर करो ये. ऑब्जर्व और स्टडी केयरफुली.
Ma'am.
ऑब्जर्व. 5th ईयर भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है मुझे आपकी क्लास के साथ, बहुत ज्यादा, क्योंकि ना सुनते हो ना पढ़ाने देते हो। 5th, ऑब्जर्व और स्टडी केयरफुली। आंसर बताओ इसका, मुझे बाकी काम भी कराना है अभी। ओके, हु विल टेल द आंसर? दिनेश, 5th बी, दिनेश। Sorry, who is telling the answer? Navneet, are you telling the answer? Sorry, it observe or study carefully. Fifth, examine. It is examine, not examine. It is examine. Examine. Okay. So in 7th you will write examine. E-X-A-M-I-N-E. Examine. Okay. Next is to roam from place to place. Roam from place to place. What answer you will write of this?
Ma'am, wondering.
Wondering, not wondering. Wondering means to think.
Ma'am,
Wander. W-A-N-D-E-R. Okay, that is wander. Okay, so you will write in 8th you will write not wonder. See, wonder and wander is different. Wonder is to think. Okay, wander is to roam. It is A here. Difference is of A, O and A. Okay, don't say wonder. Wonder means to think and wander means to roam from place to place. So here you will write wander. W-A-N-D-E-R. This is wander. Okay, 9th is to notice something which was already there. Tell the answer now. To last is there to notice some. Sorry. Who will answer this? 5th B. Shweta is here. 5th B. Shweta.
Ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I will answer.
Who will answer? Okay. Who will answer this? Answer yourself now. Anyone can answer. Anyone. Sorry?
Ma'am,
Discover. Yes. This is discover. Discover. Yes. So you will write here discover. Where is 10th? 10th you have to write. This is 9th one. Na? 9th is here. D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R. This is discover. So this one was the crossword puzzle. Okay. So I will give you this to write it in the notebook with answers. I will write the answers clearly again and then I will share the PDF in the group. Okay. Now next, I'll move to next part. Don't talk in between.
Okay, those who have did that, they should do again.
No, those who have done, they will not do again. Those who have not done, they will write it in the notebooks. And don't chat it in the chat box and mute yourself. Now next, let's move to the next picture here. I will open the next picture. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I already wrote that, ma'am.
Those who have done, okay, no problem. Those who have not done, you will do this second. I am taking this second picture. Okay. Second picture is see activity number 2. This is also of Robinson Crusoe. I have given you 3 activities of this chapter. This is also of Robinson Crusoe. Okay. Next, write other words which means afraid. अब आपको वो words ढूंढने हैं जिसका meaning होता है afraid. Okay, you have to write the synonyms. Synonyms.
Fear, nervous,
Afraid. See, wait. 5th A, wait. 5th A and B, wait. One help box is given here. Can you see the help box? Some words are written in the help box. Panic, happy, frightened, afraid, joyful, fear, greedy, sorrow, nervous, scared. Okay, you have to take help from this box and you have to write the words which mean the same as afraid. Same meaning are called synonyms. Okay, you have to write the synonyms of afraid. ठीक है, समझ आया? आपको वो वर्ड लिखने हैं जिनका मीनिंग है अफ्रेड. यू हैव टू राइट द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ अफ्रेड. ओके, अब आप इसमें देखो अफ्रेड. ओके, वेट, वन बाय वन आई लास्ट, वन बाय वन. फिफ्थ बी वृंदा. फिफ्थ बी वृंदा. वृंदा, कैन यू हियर मी? Fifth B, Vrinda is here. Don't answer in group. I told you no answering in group. Vrinda is here.
Okay.
Fifth B, Vrinda. Can you hear me? Vrinda. Fifth B.
Math is not our man.
Swatika, mute yourself. Swatika, I am Vrinda. Mute yourself. Vrinda, I am saying Vrinda. New student, new. Please mute yourself. Okay, so Vrinda, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, tell me only one word you have to choose from the box that means afraid. Synonym of afraid. Try.
Fighter, ma'am.
Don't. Yes. Tell me, Vrinda, which word you are saying?
Fear.
Sorry?
Fear.
Fear.
Yeah, ma'am.
Fear. Very good. Okay. Frightened means fear. Okay, good. Next from fifth A. Fifth A. Fifth A. I will ask one by one. Dhruvika. Fifth A. Dhruvika. Scared. Okay. Scared. Okay.
Ma'am, somebody.
Don't. whisper. Okay. Next from fifth B. Fifth B. Arushi. Arushi है यहाँ पे. Arushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Arushi will answer. Fifth B. Only Arushi will answer. Don't answer in group. No answering in mass answering नहीं चलेगी. Arushi. Arushi, can you hear me? Arushi. Shit. Oh God. Okay. Arushi is here. Arushi, can you hear me? Fifth A and B. Arushi.
Ma'am.
आरुषि आंसर करो इसका. फियर हो गया, स्कैर्ड हो गया. नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है?
Ma'am, ma'am.
सॉरी, screen is not. Wait. Okay, I am presenting again. My screen has gone. Wait. Frightened. Okay. Frightened लिखना है. एक मिनट रुको. Okay, one is frightened. Next one. Nervous. Okay, nervous, frightened. Frightened.
Ma'am, sorrow.
Frightened, nervous. Sorrow. Sorrow के बाद क्या है? Last word बताओ. Panic. Last will be panic. Okay. These are the words. Okay. One last activity is left. 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute. After this, I will over the class. Okay. One page is left. We will complete that page and then I'll leave you. Okay.
मैम नर्वस मैम
ईशांत, आपको इसके बाद आपको बताना है पहला, ठीक है? ईशांत रेडी रहो।
मैम उसको चांस नहीं दिया।
दिनेश और ईशांत रेडी रहो अब आप, ठीक है?
मैम मुझे भी चांस दिनेश को।
तरुण, निवास, दिनेश, आप लोगों की बारी है, ठीक है? रीडिंग नहीं हो रहा है अभी। ओके।
मुझे भी आंसर देना है।
तेजस आपकी चांस हो गई है ना? ओके, फर्स्ट वन ईशांत आंसर करो। पिक वन वर्ड फ्रॉम द लेसन, एड टू द ग्रुप विच हैव सिमिलर मीनिंग। आपको इन वर्ड्स के सिनोनिम लिखने हैं। अफ्रेड, स्केयर्ड, फियर्ड, पैनिक। प्लीज क्या ईशांत आंसर करो। ईशांत सुन रहा है आपको? पहले तो अपने आप को म्यूट करो। स्वातिका, अगर आपको म्यूट नहीं करना है तो क्लास छोड़ दो, म्यूट नहीं करना है तो। निवास म्यूट करो। ओके, अफ्रेड, स्केर्ड, फियर्ड, पैनिक। आपको इसका सेम मीनिंग ढूंढना है चैप्टर में से। ईशांत आंसर बताओ पहले का। ईशांत ईशांत को बोला है मैंने, जो बाकी प्लीज म्यूट कर लो। ईशांत आंसर बोलो। अफ्रेड, स्केर्ड, फियर, पैनिक, अफ्रेड, स्केर्ड, ये लिखा ही है। इसके साथ कौन सा वर्ड जोड़ोगे? फ्राइटेंड। यस, फ्राइटेंड, FRIGH, frightened. Okay, next is footprint, track, pug mark. Which will be the word which will be same like this? Second from Dinesh, fifth भी दिनेश। आंसर करो ये। फुटप्रिंट, ट्रैक, पग मार्क, क्या वर्ड होगा इसका? दिनेश?
यस मैम।
हाँ, बोलो आंसर। ट्राई करो। फुट मार्क, यस, आंसर विल बी फुट मार्क। गुड। नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम फिफ्थ ए किसको चांस नहीं मिला? कौशिक है इधर के? कौशिक, तरुण चारी इसके बाद। कौशिक, कौशिक आंसर दो। ऑफन, रिपीटेडली, मेनी टाइम्स। इसका ऑफन, रिपीटेडली, मेनी टाइम्स, कौन सा वर्ड और जुड़ सकता है ताकि सेम? सॉरी,
so many times.
No, not so many times. You have to find out from the lesson. लेसन में so many times नहीं लिखा था, आपको लेसन में से ढूंढना है। Often, repeatedly, many times. कौशिक, क्या आंसर होगा इसका?
शार मैम।
नो, श्योर नहीं, इसका आंसर है फ्रीक्वेंटली, जो बार बार होता है। ऑफन, रिपीटेडली, मेनी टाइम्स मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंटली। जो चीज बार बार होती है उसको बोलते हैं फ्रीक्वेंटली, ठीक है? एग्जामिन, सर्च, स्टडी, एक्सप्लोर, इसका क्या लिखोगे? एग्जामिन, सर्च, स्टडी, एक्सप्लोर। फिफ्थ भी तरुण, इन्वेस्टिगेट, तरुण इन्वेस्टिगेट, वेरी गुड, यस। नेक्स्ट इज बीच, कोस्ट, सैंड। बीच, कोस्ट, सैंड, क्या लिखोगे? नो, आइलैंड, ओके। ब्रेक, डैमेज, स्पॉइल।
मैम मैं जा सकता हूँ?
अभी रुक जाओ, अभी क्लास ओवर होने वाली है।
मैम मैं जा सकता हूँ?
नहीं, ब्रेक, डैमेज, स्पॉइल, जल्दी बताओ। ब्रेक, डैमेज, स्पॉइल। नो, ब्रेक, डैमेज, डिस्ट्रॉय, नेक्स्ट इज ब्रेव, करेजियस, डेयरिंग। यू विल राइट हियर बोल्ड। लास्ट वन इज बोल्ड। Okay, I will send you this 5th ANB. Listen your homework now. 5th ANB, म्यूट योर सेल्फ एंड लिसन द होमवर्क। होमवर्क सुनो। आपको ये पीडीएफ ग्रुप में मिल जाएगी। म्यूट करो पहले तो।
मैम क्लास कब हो जाता?
Okay, now fifth ANP. Now you can. Time is over. Time is over. You can leave the class. Time is over. You can leave the class.
मैम
Yes.
Ma'am, what is homework?
मैम
You can leave the class one by one. Time is over.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
I will send you the link now for the test. Okay?
मैम मैम
Yes. किसको डाउट है? डाउट किसको है अभी?
waste out of best that we can send today also.
Yes. बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट आज लास्ट डे है। बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट जो बना रहा है वो आज भेज सकता है। ठीक है?
हाँ इवनिंग तक भेज।
हाँ इवनिंग तक भी भेज सकते हो आप। यस यस। एनी डाउट? किसी और
मैम
को?
मैंने आपको भेज दिया है।
सॉरी वृंदा, क्या कह रहे हो? आवाज नहीं आ रही। वृंदा क्या कह रहे हो?
Today which chapters?
ग्रामर टेस्ट है। इंग्लिश का ग्रामर का टेस्ट है। ओके, प्रेपोजिशंस, उसमें हर तरह का ग्रामर है। ठीक है? आप क्वेश्चंस देखो, अगर आपको डाउट है आप बाद में प्रिपेयर करके दे सकते हो। ठीक है? अभी ट्राई करो, टेस्ट दो। ठीक है? आज टेस्ट है इंग्लिश का, ग्रामर पार्ट है। ग्रामर। ओके? जंबल सेंटेंसेस, प्रेपोजिशंस। ओके, these are the questions in the test. 4 options there. Choose. अभी है, अभी आपकी क्लास खत्म होते ही मैं आपको टेस्ट का लिंक भेज रही हूँ। ठीक है? टेस्ट का लिंक मिलते ही टेस्ट करो स्टार्ट। कोई भी बच्चा एक से ज्यादा बार टेस्ट नहीं देगा, एक ही बार देना है टेस्ट। मार्क्स एक ही बार मिलेंगे, बार बार नहीं। ठीक है?
मैम मैंने आपको सीसीए का भेज दिया है।
सीसीए का? हाँ, मेरे पास काफी सारे बच्चों ने भेजा है। जिन्होंने नहीं भेजा है वो मुझे शाम तक भेज देंगे। ठीक है? काफी बच्चों ने भेजा है मुझे।
मैम वो जो आपने बोला था ना बाउल 1 बाउल 2 रखने को, मैंने वो किया और आपको फोटो भी भेजा।
हाँ देख लिया मैंने। जिसने ईवीएस की एक्टिविटी कर ली है, स्प्राउट वाली, मैंने आपको वीडियो दिखाई थी ना, स्प्राउट्स, वो ईवीएस की एक्टिविटी करके मुझे भेज देना। ठीक है?
मैम मैंने किया वो।
हाँ, आपका आसान भी देख लिया मैंने, और बाकी बच्चे भी जल्दी से भेज देना। ठीक है?
बाय मैम।
बाय।
मैम
एनी डाउट? किसी को और डाउट है?
मैम
यस।
सेंड द ऑल पिक्स टू मी मैम।
हाँ, आप ग्रुप में सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, डोंट वरी। कोई डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हो। ओके, अदरवाइज भरानी कोई डाउट है आपको? अच्छा नहीं हो गया।